Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add GIFs onto the Shopify debut theme. So once you're on your admin dashboard, go to Online Store, make sure you're on Themes, and then go to Customize. Now, for example, here I already have a image with text pre-made from the debut theme. Just click on this, and then you'll see on the left-hand side, there's image. I'm going to select image. I already have a GIF uploaded, but if you want to add images, just press the button here. Done. And as you can see, there's now a GIF on the Shopify debut theme. If you want to add like a off-the-hook image, just click on this add section and then find if it's a gallery or just an image with text, image with overlay, something with an image. I'm just going to say image with text overlay like this. And now there's an image, and then I'm going to select image, come to put it the GIF again. As you can see, there's going to be an image right there. So that is how you add GIFs onto the Shopify debut theme.